Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create, launch and scale profitable ads. This course is going to be your step-by-step guide to launching, testing and scaling your ads like a total pro. Have you ever wondered how those cute online shopping ads pop up right when you need them? It's not magic, it's Facebook ads. Let's decode everything one by one. Before we jump into ads, you need to understand how Facebook decides who should be seeing your ads. Meta's system works on auction model and machine learning. Every time an ad is shown, it's competing with thousands of other ads. The winner is not always the highest bidder, it's the ad that delivers most value to others. So your ad success depends on three things. First is your bid, how much you're willing to spend per result. Second is action rate, how likely users are to engage. Third and last is ad quality, relevance, engagement and feedback. So when you understand this, you'll stop blaming the algorithm and start spending smartly. Let's don't delay and quickly dive into step-by-step setup of Business Manager. Go to business.facebook.com, click create account, enter your business name, email and confirm. Inside Business Manager, you'll connect your Facebook page, Instagram page, your ad account and your pixel. Then you'll set up your ad payment method and two-factor authentication, which is critical for your security. Let's build your first campaign together. So when you click create, you'll have to choose objective and it will show options like awareness, traffic, engagement and sales. Let's say your business or brand is totally new and nobody knows it exists yet. So in that case, you will not start with sales ad, you'll run awareness ad. These awareness ads help people discover your brand and increase visibility. Even if you're running an offline store, the awareness ads are just as important. Then you see traffic. Traffic campaigns we use to drive people somewhere, like your website, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or any external link. Basically, it's all about getting people to click and visit. For example, you have created a new Instagram account and you want to boost your brand visibility or gain followers to make your brand look more authentic. You can totally use traffic ads for that. So in short, whenever your goal is to get link clicks, landing page views, traffic to Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp, the traffic campaign is your go-to option. Now the third objective is engagement, and this one is all about interaction. Let's say you're posting amazing contents or reels for your business and you want more views, likes, comments and shares, then definitely you can go for engagement ads. Plus, if your business gets inquiries through calls or WhatsApp, this campaign works for that too. When you open engagement objective, you'll see options like video views, messages, messenger calls, or even conversions, depending on what type of engagement you want. So if your goal is to get people talking, to spark conversation and reactions, then engagement ads are your best friend. Think of it this way, you want likes, comments, shares, and you want people to watch your videos till end, then engagement ads are built for that, to create moments that people can't help but respond. Now, let's go to the next big one, leads. Let's say you're running your own marketing agency and you're ready to bring in new clients. In that case, the best objective to choose on Facebook is leads. Because here's the truth, if you're in a service-based business, whether you're a coach, consultant, realtor, or anyone who depends on people reaching out, this is your objective. Lead campaigns are very powerful because they don't just attract attention, they open doors. They help you gather real contact info, names, emails, phone numbers directly through your ad. That means no more chasing, you already have their details. Ready to follow up and build a connection and turn real interest into real clients. And finally, let's talk about sales objective. Now, quick question. How many of you actually want to make sales from your ads? Pretty much everyone, right? Well, we are not alone. Over 70% of advertisers use sales objective. Do you know why? Because at the end of the day, we are not running ads for the likes. We are running ads to make money. If you look at any e-commerce brand, I mean any of them, chances are they're all using sales objective. Do you know why? Because that's where conversions happen. That's where add to cart, checkout moments happen. So if your goal is to drive real results, not just clicks and views and likes, this is your go-to. Let's be real, guys. High converting Facebook ads are not about fancy hacks or secret tricks. No, it's about feeding the algorithm exactly what it needs, so it can scale smart and actually make profits. Here is the real secret. Show up as you. Ads that feature real face, your face perform way better. They grab attention, build trust, and usually bring your CPC way down. So stop hiding behind your logo and be the face of your brand. Let people connect with you. Let's talk setup. If you're promoting a product, go with sales or leads as your objective. And if you're just starting out, my recommendation, conversions. Now let's do this step by step together. First, set your budget. Start small. Around $10 to $20 per day is perfect. Don't stress. You can always scale once you see results. Number 2, define your audience. Choose your interests, demographics, or even create lookalike audiences of your best customers. Third and last, choose your placements. I recommend starting with advantage plus placements and letting Meta do its magic. Cool? Alright, now let's break down 3-level structure of Meta ads. This is where a lot of people get confused, but it's actually super simple once you see it. Level 1, the campaign level. Think of it like the brain of your ad. This is where you tell Meta your main goal. So ask yourself, do I want more people to visit my website? Or do I want actual sales? Or do I want messages or signups? This is what you decide here on campaign level. Let's take a few examples. If you're launching a new business, go with sales. If you're running a fitness coaching program, try leads so that people can sign up for your free class. Or maybe you've got a handmade candle shop and you want more people to know that you exist, choose brand awareness. So basically the campaign level is saying to Meta, hey, this is what I want to happen. Simple, right? Let's keep building from here. The second level is ad set level. This is where the real strategy kicks in. Think of it like a blueprint of your campaign. This is where you decide who sees your ad, where they see it, and how much you'll spend. So this is what happens at this stage. Who do you want to reach? That's your audience. Where do you want your ad to show up? That's your placements. How much do you want to spend? That's your budget. When do you want it to run? That's your schedule. Okay, let's take skincare example. At the ad set level, you can target women between the age of 20 to 35 living in Dubai, interested in skincare, self-care, beauty products. You can choose placements also, Facebook, Instagram, stories, reels, and then you can set your budget, maybe $10 per day to start or $100 for a week. So in short, the ad set level is who, where, and how much. Let's take another example. Imagine you have a handmade jewelry shop. This is how your ad set should look like. Set 1, target jewelry lovers like people who follow Pandora, Swarovski, or maybe Etsy. Then you'll have ad set 2 for lookalike audience, people who look like your past buyers. Then you have ad set 3 for retargeting, people who visited your website but didn't buy. So each ad test is gonna target its own budget, maybe $20 per day each, to test which audience is vibing with your ad the most. And for placements, let Meta handle it automatically with advantage plus placements. Or if you want to hop on trends, focus on Instagram Reels because that's where everyone is scrolling. And finally, my favorite part, ad level. This is your third and last level. This is where your creativity shines because this is what your audience will actually see. Here's what you'll do. Upload your image or video, write your ad copy, then add your website link. And lastly, choose your CTA button like shop now, book now, learn more, purchase now. Let's go back to our skincare example. You could make a short video of someone applying face serum, add some gentle music, and write something like glowing skin in just 7 days, shop now. Boom, this is your ad. You can even test a few versions like one image, one video, one carousel, just to test which one performs the best. Let's sum it up all. Campaign level is your goal. Ad set level is your targeting audience and budget. Then ad level, this is your creative magic. Now we'll do full example of a campaign setup. Let's put everything together for a handmade jewelry shop. Ready? Campaign level, that is your sales objective. $100 per day. Let Meta optimize it. Ad set 1 will be jewelry lovers and the audience will be people who love brands like Swarovski, Etsy, Pandora, and the budget will be $30 per day. Your ads will be carousel of necklace sets and a video of you packaging orders. Ad set 2 will be your lookalike audience. Source will be past customers. Ads will be lifestyle photo and one testimonial video. Budget again $30 per day. Your ad set 3 is retargeting. Audience will be website visitors from last 30 days. Budget $40 per day. And your ad is going to say, hey babe, you left something sparkly behind in your cart. Grab it now with 10% off. Now we have learned how to run a campaign. Let's talk about how to target like a pro. We'll discuss the secret to finding your perfect audience. Most of the advertisers mess up right here. They go too broad or too narrow. Here's how you find a sweet spot. First, you'll do interest stacking, like mix 3 to 5 interests, gym wear, healthy food, fitness. Then you'll custom audiences, like upload a list of your customers or website visitors. And after that, you'll find your lookalike audience. Let Meta find people who act just like your best customers. Just remember, the more data you feed Meta, the smarter it gets. Feed it the right info and it will literally hunt down the perfect buyers for you. Next, we are going to learn how to create high converting ads that actually sell. Your ads creator will decide if people will stop scrolling or keep swiping up. Let me give you my favorite ad copy formula. Hook, that is to grab attention. Here you can say something like, tired of wasting money on useless skincare? Then there's body, which focuses on benefits, not features. Then lastly, there's CTA, your call to action, telling them what to do. Shop now, purchase now, learn more, join the challenge. And last step, you're going to keep your videos short for 15-16 seconds, but make sure your visuals are popping up. Even a bold photo with clear product focus can do magic. Next, we are going to learn reading results and optimizing. You'll go to Ads Manager, then Columns, and then Customize Columns. Then select Results, cost per result, CTR, that is your click-through rate, then ROAS, that is your return on ad spend. You're going to turn off ads that flop after 3 to 5 days. Keep testing new ones every week, that is your secret weapon for long-term growth. Next, we are going to learn how to scale your ads, or how to scale winning campaigns safely. When you find a winning ad, don't just go wild with your budget. Scaling too fast confuses Meta. Instead of that, you will be doing these things. Slow scaling. Here you will add 20% every 3 days. Duplicate scaling. You're going to copy your winner ad into your new campaign with a much higher budget. CBO scaling, campaign budget optimization. Let Meta do the heavy lifting. Now, let me tell you what mistakes to avoid. Don't post copyrighted stuff. Don't skip verifying your business. Don't use banned words. Just be transparent and you'll be totally safe. Now, let me tell you some advanced strategies for lookalikes, funnels, and retargeting. Now, this is where you go from beginner to boss. Once you got data, retarget. This is where your profits come from. For example, retarget people who viewed your product but didn't buy. Or maybe show discounts to people who watched your videos. Then make lookalikes, that is 1% of your best customers. And boom, you're scaling like a pro. Lastly, we are going to discuss some bonus tips. Everyone is running ads, but do you know what is your secret weapon? A killer offer. It solves one big problem and focuses on results. When it's clear and unique, Meta's AI loves it and finds buyers faster and cheaper. If you want inspiration, you can check Meta's ad library. Look up your competitors and study which ads have been running forever. If they're still spending on it, it's working. Remix what's winning, make it yours, and make 2-3 versions of every ad. Keep it raw and real. Those TikTok style clips and UGC vibes, they always perform best. And lastly, don't skip your pixel and conversion API setup. That's how Meta knows who's buying, so it can find more people like them. So no data, no magic. Guys, you made it. Now you know how to build, run, scale, and analyze ads. If this video helped you, show some love, like, comment, and subscribe.